Sudah ada belum ya? Belum kayaknya YouTube lagi ini. Dah nih. Ntar deh, aku pipis dulu.
Hello Brood. Silalu komen pertama.
Lampu, lampu, lampu. Nyalakan lampu.
Lagi beres.
Halo bro, selalu komen pertama. Yuk, lagi beres-beres rumah, beres-beres. Beres-beres rumah apa gimana? Kamar. Yuk. Will Nori. Kak, pakai apa? Norris minta dimainin. De Bruyne, enggak dong. Saya tidak punya duit buat De Bruyne. Dingin. Sumpah dingin. Kalau De Bruyne itu ini di Manchester City dia. Kalau aku di Wolves, jadi tidak bisa pakai De Bruyne seperti itu. Ini aku main di Ultimate ya. Ingat, Ultimate paling susah di FIFA. Parnoan sendiri.
Today's action comes to you from the American Express Community Stadium. Alan Smith alongside me, Martin Tyler.
De Bruyne di TikTok ya, De Bruyne.
And this match today is Brighton and Hove Albion against Wolverhampton Wanderers.
Ya iya, lagu, ya ampun. Ntar dulu. Copyright tuh tadi. Game setting, audio, music 0. Lagu, astagfirullah. Langsung kena copyright ini. Ini ngelanjutin karirku aja nih. Karir Wolves Hampton. Bener-bener random sih. David Luiz.
Wolverhampton Wanderers. Well, their last game they won at home against Watford.
Superb 4-1 win. But I just don't think they're going to do the same here. I think they're going to draw.
De Bruyne, Kevin De Bruyne.
Brighton will play with these players today.
Bukan. Ini dia starting 11 Brighton.
Netherlands used to use all the time.
Stevens, Grop,
Plenty of countries have adopted it since.
Jahabas, Lokadia. Rian nggak main tuh. Ya, Wolverhampton, Norris, kiper ketiga. Doherty, David Luiz, Cody, Johnny Otto, James Milner, dan Ronke, Ander Herrera, Jose Moutinho, Jamie Vardy, dan Diogo Jota.
Well, we're underway here.
Yuk main. Sejam berapa? Masih jam setengah 10, masih aman.
That's his game, isn't it? Intercepting. Read the play well. Proper tackle that. Can whip it in now. Can put them in front.
Tuh kalau FIFA gampang bro. Ini ultimate loh. Padahal udah gol aja. Ini ultimate loh. Difficulty-nya. Gampangnya. Kalau PES mah ada bisa begitu bro.
Wolverhampton Wanderers have this lead.
Wolverhampton Wanderers goal number 13.
Kenapa ada begitu-begituan ya? Kepencet.
Really strong tackle and the ball's gone out for a throw. Stevens trying to thread a pass through but not
Jamie
successful.
Vardy, Diogo Jota. Kalau main FIFA tuh enaknya tuh passingnya gitu enak.
He's given the free kick but no sign of the card. Maybe he just wants to make sure he's not made a rod for his own back with an early booking.
It's going to be an in-swinger or an out-swinger.
Norris first save.
Goalkeeper hangs on. Moutinho. Quick change of possession here. It's an excellent cross.
Lah.
Shot blocked here. Well, they've got a corner out of that. A bit lucky. It was deflected.
Deg-degan sendiri. Main away loh kita loh.
Corner played into the middle. It's not really away. Poor clearance. James Milner. They're trying to dispossess him.
Astagfirullahaladzim, disebat dari belakang bos. Disebat dari belakang.
He's not going to escape the booking simply because it's this early.
No, he dived in. I don't think he or anybody else can have any complaints about that.
Stevens looking for an opening with some good controlled build-up. On the move and able to cut out the pass.
Aduh.
Stevens. Well, that's over
Waduh,
the top
bahaya
of the
ini.
defender. One to chase. Then Donker. And Herrera.
James Milner,
Diogo Jota.
Diego Jota.
James Milner. Slipping it through.
Bagus. Doherty. Jota masuk. Vardy. Jota. Habilame. Ya, nggak keluar Habilame ya. Telat mencetnya.
Well, this is when it's tough being a goalkeeper. A little bit more on it, and it would have been a very fine save. As it is, he's picking the ball out
Whoa.
of the net.
Yeah, he sets high standards, this lad, and I think he's just dropped below those.
Restarting at
Montoya.
2-0.
Jahan Bas.
Now the possibility for a cross.
Don. Ya Allah.
Excellent, millimeters away from scoring, really.
Scored and
Untuk
maybe the
bekannya
keeper did too.
sendiri. Anda Herrera,
Then Donker.
David Luiz,
Now Doherty. Moutinho.
Joe
And,
Moutinho,
Herrera. Here's Jota. Moutinho.
Jose Moutinho, Doherty.
Comes out off the
Ah.
goal. Credit for taking the volley on, but in the
Bagus
end,
banget padahal
near
itu
the target.
Well,
shootnya.
it's a difficult skill, and you get it off a fraction, and that can happen. It goes wide.
Jahan Bas,
Aku yang nonton.
Movement forward here.
cuma aku yang nonton, iya.
Moutinho.
Kamu coba nonton bola deh, Pak. Di apa di
Looking
ya
to
di
use
SCTV,
full width of the
di
pitch in this
TV.
attack.
Asal jangan nonton Liga Indonesia ya. Kalau Liga Indonesia kan ya nggak seru, bro. Seru ya, Liga Indonesia itu cuma isinya ya berantem, passing sana sini nggak jelas. Kamu nontonnya ini Premier League. Mola kan kemarin lagi free tuh. Aku dapat free Mola kemarin. Jadi coba dipakai. Siapa tahu tertarik. Aku juga awalnya mah apa sih bola, apa sih gitu. Kelas 1, kelas 2 tuh apa sih bola. Kelas 3 oh udah seru nih bola. Oh iya ternyata seru ya bola ya. Aduh bahaya, kuning itu harusnya, kartu kuning harusnya. Iya, definitely. Moutinho, Joao apa Jose sih gitu namanya? Nice, Jamie Vardy. Hah? Offside? Tipisnya enggak tuh, harusnya nggak offside itu. Apa namanya, konspirasi.
Dendonker, excellent interception. Plenty of width for the team to attack into. It looked a good cross, but in the end, it was
Goal kick.
misleading. Not quite good enough so far, Alan.
Ini kok di advance habis itu 720. Oh iya jadi bagus tuh 720. Kamu nonton di 720, Pak, biar nggak burik. Aduh ya Allah.
Crisp defending there. And now he's looking for some support.
Ini kenapa saya diserang mulu sama Brighton?
He's put in the corner. Good defensive clearance there.
Out.
It'll be a throw. Turn pass.
Izquierdo.
Saw the pass coming and got there first. He's got support here. Montoya working hard just to see maybe a sight of goal. They set it up well for the cross.
It's
easy here for the keeper.
Itu tuh kosong tuh, Milner, Doherty dan Donker ternyata.
Good place to win the ball here.
Sumpah, aku nggak keluar dari tekanan. Anda Herrera dan Donker. Aduh.
Spotted that well and intercepted.
Twing. Bagus Johnny Otto.
He's given it away.
Prit.
Well, that's half time. 2-0.
Kalau contoh mah aku nggak heran.
It is the kick-off here for the second half. Here's Jota. Read the play well to intercept.
Aduh, Jota. Kaki kiri Jota bisa apa?
Able to make a good
Ngawur.
Pascal Gross.
Internet connection quality is. Aduh ya Allah, internetnya. Bismillah aja lah. Lancar kayak gitu ya.
It's a very good interception.
David Luiz.
Here's Jota. João Moutinho. Oh, the attacker's done well, beating his man. Milner.
Ai.
The goalkeeper with a textbook save and keeps the ball in his grasp.
Montova. Boring.
Prepper.
Iya, memang bola kalau lagi passing-passing doang boring.
They can spread
Cuma
the play now. Johan Baks.
cara mereka build up itu kan mereka harus passing-passing boring itu kan untuk terciptanya gol seperti itu.
Well, this is where managers really earn their money. In a losing situation, they've got to make a substitution. Got to get it right, really, to have any chance of getting anything from the match.
Bisa lah clean sheet yuk, 2-0. Norris baru main langsung clean sheet nih, hebat nih orang. Wis.
Defended well.
Dari tadi gini-gini aja.
Takes the ball out of play. Prepper.
Proper.
David Prepper. To Murray. That looked dangerous until he made the interception. Substitution that the home side want to make. Prepper.
James Milner. Bagus.
Here's Jota.
Maju dong. Herrera, nice.
And Herrera.
Aduh.
Sits strongly.
Bagus tuh tacklingnya.
Jose Izquierdo.
Gross.
Anticipated the
Doherty.
direction of the pass.
Aduh,
Was
ya
able to
ampun.
intervene. Well, that would be a throw. Just a change now. He's bringing on a new player.
Apa itu infonya?
Milner.
James Milner.
Pressure to absorb. High up the pitch. Here's Jota. James Milner. Interception on James Milner's attempted ball. Still 20 minutes to go. On the attack here.
Jamie Vardy.
Saw
Aduh.
it coming, cut it out. Good work.
Proper.
Johan Baks.
Tunisia.
Rushing it here.
Main tuh.
Moving from
Kualifikasi
one side
Piala
to the
Dunia
other.
apa?
Well, that's good defending.
Stevens. Gross.
Prepper.
Proper.
All the time to
Sumpah
get
aku dari
across
tadi
there.
tekan nggak nyerang ini.
Couldn't convert an opportunity, which at this stage, in this situation, really vital for them to get the next goal.
Yeah, you do wonder whether they'll look back on that chance at the end of this match
Ya
with a
dong,
lot
maju
of
dong.
regret.
And Herrera.
Mereka ngepres
Good
loh.
place to win the ball here, slipping it through.
Gol.
It's a strange miss
enggak.
that one, Alan, because he looked as though he was going for accuracy. It was totally inaccurate in the end.
Precision was nowhere to
Faktor
be seen
keletihan nih
there.
kayaknya.
David Luiz.
Bagus. Aduh. Nice. Vardy, come on.
Pascal Gross. Looking to use
Nggak
the
bisa
full width
itu.
of the pitch in this attack. Well, that's the keeper's ball from the moment the cross left his foot. Here's Jota.
Nice. Johnny. Aduh. Tertepis lagi. Ditepis lagi.
Well, I'm guessing that he's not going to try that again in a hurry, particularly after his manager gets into him after this match.
Swung in from the corner.
Crossing jauh ke depan.
It's one back.
Volley.
Here's Milner.
Terus nggak pelanggaran tuh.
Stevens has got cross. It's a very good interception. 5 more minutes here.
Murah ya.
I like the look of this attack.
Jago sekali nih orang.
Spaced across the ball now. And it's back for a corner again. He's tackled well. It's a good challenge. It's led to a corner.
Norris, player to watch. Lah, kok bisa kok iso? Kiper muda. Norris.
And in it goes. Defended well.
Player to watch kiper.
Whip it in now.
Tiba-tiba perform. Lah, nggak ada yang tahu ini Norris siapa. Orang tahu-tahu tiba-tiba perform.
3 minutes from the referee via the fourth official. That's the decision regarding added time. Stevens.
Proper.
Steered through.
Jahan
Gets
Bas.
his cross in. Head away, well away from goal.
Cross.
David Proper.
Aish. Dapat Norris. Dapat. Nice. Dah. 2-0 menang. Clean sheet Norris. Gila. Nggak expect aku.
It's gone pretty much as it looked as though it would go. No great surprises here today.
Oh ya Allah.
Side with the biggest proper tackle that.
Liverpool menang 3-0. AFC Bournemouth menang 3-0. Southampton menang 2-1. Watford menang 4-1. Alhamdulillah. Elliot Watt. Thanks for the chance, boss. I know I'm way down in the club, but I really want to play football, and so I need to consider my future. Oh yeah, Ryan Giles. Okay, Ryan Giles. Monthly scouting update. Bagus kayaknya. Tavares, Francisco Tavares. 16 tahun. Ini baru 15 tahun dia pemain mana? 15 tahun youth. Tavares nih bagus nih kayaknya. Back dia ya. Overall 52 sampai 70. Ambil mana ya? On air 3 orang yang nonton. Lah. Tumben. Malam-malam gini ada yang nonton. Yuk, kita main. Siapa tadi? LWB. Siapa tadi yang mau main? Rian, oke. Yuk, kita main. Match kedua, Carabao Cup. Pada capek. Ya jelas pada capek. Nah, habis main, langsung main lagi. Ada mah main. Fardi nggak usah bawa. si Girls, nah ini dia. Cody Bolly main. Doherty si, nah ini main muda ya pasang. Gibbs White, Under Herrera, Size dah. Tiga yang nonton, tumben loh. Nggak ada lagu, sepi sekali. Iyalah, kena copyright nanti kalau ada lagu. De Bruyne. Oke, ini dia match Carabao Cup.
Welcome to you all. Martin Tyler here with Alan Smith, and we are looking at two exciting teams competing in the round of 16 of the Carabao Cup. Our match today is Wolverhampton Wanderers against Bradford City. And here is the way Wolves are set out for this vital fixture. The player just behind the front two is going to have a lot of influence if they can get the ball to him.
Yeah, it's the classic
Wolverhampton
really, isn't it? And,
Wanderers.
if he can get on the ball and find some space, more than capable of slipping in passes to those two strikers.
Aturan ada mana di center attack midfielder aja ya?
Responsibility for some of those five in midfield to get
Bradford
forward.
City.
I'm sure the main striker won't be isolated, although it looks a bit like that on our screens.
Pastinya dia pakai ini sih, pakai full squad. 4-5-1, 4-3-2-1. 4-3-2-1, bukan 4-5-1. Yuk, Dan Jongke as a kapten. Udah hilang views.
Thank you. Enjoy the game.
Thank you. Enjoy the game.
It is the English League Cups round of 16, if you like, and the referee has signalled, and there's the ball rolling. Here we go.
It's become a bigger and bigger competition as the years have gone on. This one, and certainly one that these two teams that want to win.
And here's the shot. He has
Shot
played it well.
apa itu?
Sean Scannell, Doyle. They can be quick on the break now.
Butterfly.
Doyle.
Doyle.
Probing pass.
Saya nggak kenal
Time to
pemain
get the cross now. And the referee points for a goal kick.
Bradford. Kan ada Oxford, Bradford.
Size.
Calvary. Siapa sih? Nah, penalti. Nice.
Straight away, pointing to the spot.
Ah,
Oh, was the contact? Did he dive?
merah. Kelas merah. Klasmen dia.
Because he's given a penalty.
Well, what a silly challenge, and that might just tip this match in the favour of the
Pantas
team that's won it.
merah. Raul Jimenez.
That's a
Nice.
terrific penalty.
Bagus. Habilame.
He's taken on the responsibility, and a happy outcome for him.
Yeah, I think some people are cut out for it, some aren't. This lad certainly is.
Wolverhampton Wanderers have this lead. Now O'Connor.
No,
Akan.
O'Connor.
Well, they're building steadily here, working away. They've gone wide, chance to get the ball in the box.
sebelah kanan,
Some room out here in the wide position.
crossing, tidak menemukan apa-apa dia.
Strong, powerful clearance. And it's gone out for a throw.
Jimenez.
Giles. Going for goal.
Wah, bagus.
No doubt that's a corner. Here comes the corner.
Jimenez dapat.
Real opportunity with a chance like that to pull ahead.
Well, that's when a manager wants to see a ruthlessness about his strikers.
Saw the pass coming and got there first. Well, suddenly they could be on the counter attack.
Pemain muda nih, full pemain muda nih. Main cadangan lah. Pemain cadangannya Wolf ya, pemain muda semua. Bagus.
Well, can you believe it? I certainly didn't see that coming.
It is level.
Tunisia.
Both sides have scored here now. Saya. Jimenez. Opening them up with a through pass.
Jebret.
There was danger, but he's cleared it. Akan.
Rồi.
Going forward well. That's deflected
Corner
behind.
lagi.
It will be a corner.
Oh, time to celebrate. The underdogs could make something of this.
In goes the corner. Defended well. It's a corner again.
Corner again.
He's put in the corner.
Tangkap.
Really
Nice.
commanding goalkeeper, and that's easy for a player of his ability to catch the corner.
Maju ya terus nggak ada yang jaga ini.
Really get at the opposition here. Change of direction, infield.
Doyle. Wih, bagus banget. Kosong tuh. Jebret. Ya Allah. Cavaliero. Aduh. Passingnya itu loh. Jelek. Bennett. Bagus. Gak ngerti lagi itu kenapa. Ih, boli. Maju ke depan. Buset tuh babon. Gede banget badannya. Gills. Maju lagi Gills. Come on. Come on. Crossing. Jimenez. Dapat dong. That will be a goal kick.
You can score a goal at any point in a game. He hasn't really looked like scoring any so far, has he? He'll be hoping for better as the match develops.
Well, if you don't shoot, you don't score, and he just hasn't had the courage, perhaps, to let fly enough.
Jimenez. Came in with a challenge.
Gak jelas banget.
Offside. That's an easy decision. Jimenez. Good interception there. Jimenez. Hope Akpan. Reeves. Looking for teammates in the middle. Trying to cross it, and in the end, a bit of a waste, I think.
The fourth official has
And the decision
indicated
for the added time is 3 minutes.
3 minutes of added time.
Good reading of the by anticipating the pass.
Hey,
Rushing it here. Moving from one side to the other. Says.
padahal mereka main 10 orang loh ini.
Well, the referee has blown for half-time at 1-1. Really good contest this for a place in the quarter-finals of the English League Cup, but still a second half to go, and here it is starting now.
Sometimes comes down to who wants it the most.
Says.
Raul
This looks
Jimenez.
promising. Jimenez.
Ah, ya
The
ampun.
referee points for a goal kick. Well, the player that we're featuring here has done well.
Mukanya
He's
mirip
certainly been an
ini,
influence
Marco.
on this first half.
Well, he stepped forward for his team there with that equaliser, but his team haven't been what you would say on the best of form.
Says. Jimenez. Butterfield.
Lawan Hotspur lagi next game.
Excellent vision. He's through here.
Ya
It's an
elah,
opportunity,
ada
really.
orang,
And
aduh,
way off target with that place shot.
entah kemana umpannya.
Nice bit of footwork from the attacker, but it was made
Ambil,
too
ambil.
easy.
Very good work by the
Wis,
goal.
kuning
Whistle's
gak?
gone. Free
Kuning
kick.
terus ya.
Well, it's only
Nice.
yellow, and given the situation that they're in, depleted already.
Herrera masuk.
Well, they're walking on a tightrope here. They've just got to be so much more careful with their challenges.
And Herrera. They could pose some danger now. And Herrera!
Ada
Good place
Herrera.
to win the ball here. Throw in now.
Aduh, jelek banget, jelek.
It's with Herrera. Can put them in front here. Here's a chance, goalkeeper exposed. Well, we're 2/3 of the way through the 90 minutes, half an hour to go. Bendonka.
Jepret. Dur. Aduh, ya
Corner to
ampun.
come because of that deflection.
9 shot
And in
loh.
it goes. Not wanting to catch the corner, he's fisted it away from danger. Maybe he'll cross it here. And Herrera. Spotted that well and intercepted. Wonderful interception. Jimenez. Safety first there. Throw-in coming up.
Nggak bisa nih main gini nih.
Jimenez. It's with Herrera. Oh, it could be on. Well, they managed to dig themselves out of a pretty deep hole then. It's a great chance, I thought, but they're safe again. This
Nice.
was a chance to go
Herrera.
into the lead now. Into the
Siapa
lead
Herrera?
goal. It's a fine, well-worked goal. The team is
Nice.
looking well-oiled and looking very well-drilled.
Bagus
They've
dia
been the
nusuk ke
better side.
dalam.
They've played with great panache up to this point, and that goal really sums up the way they have been playing. Excellent. The side that has the form, and indeed you would think the better players are doing well at the moment. They've got a goal and they're beginning to boss proceedings.
Yeah, they're moving the ball about better, Martin. Certainly getting good delivery in from those wide areas. A much stronger side.
Wolverhampton Wanderers have this lead. Trying to switch on the attacking power in this situation. Then Donker. And 20 minutes to go.
Aduh, offside. Offside jelas.
Nice offside. It's hard to shut up shop even with a substitution here, but that's what he's going to try to do, I think. Butterfield. Ball. That is a cheap piece of play to give the ball away like that. David Ball. And Herrera. Opportunity here.
Ya
One in front. They would be a
ampun.
lot more comfortable if they were two in front, and they really could have been.
Yeah, might they look back on that with a bit of regret, because that was a great chance to extend the lead, wasn't it?
Butterfield. Riley. Good position. They've worked this attack very well into quite a dangerous position now. Nodded back across goal. Cleared away by the defender. Jimenez. Here's Jota.
Wah,
Butterfield.
keras banget.
This referee's got a good perception of when and when not to play the advantage.
Ambil dong,
He's
ambil.
chosen to play it
Ah,
here.
kuning.
Corner given.
Baru.
The team's had to be
masuk.
patient in this match, and so has the crowd, but they see a chance for an equaliser from this corner.
And now he's going to sort out Doyle.
Oi.
Goodness me, it's hit the post, and they get it away. It's a corner again.
Astagfirullah.
In goes the corner.
Buang, buang, buang.
Defended well. Can they hang on to this one-goal lead? The fans are trying to play their part in it happening.
Yeah, and it's the approach that the home team take that will...
Nice.
Good vision. Needs to stay cool now. He's in the clear.
Oh, let's go. Easy
Inside
goal.
with the extra man, and they've made that extra man count.
Well, you've got to use the width of the pitch and make that extra man count, as you say, Martin. They did exactly that, and they were patient. They waited for the moment, and they got their reward.
Well, scoring in any game is worthy of
Counter
celebration. When you
attack.
get two, it is special, and he is feeling that special delight at the moment. Different angle on it here.
Bagus finishingnya.
3-1 the scoreline as we restart the game. Hope Akpak. Now O'Connor. Ball. And they've spread it out wide here. That's well read, actually, by the defender as they look to play wide. And that'll be a corner. Corner swung in. Good defensive clearance there. I think the cross is on. We can only put it behind for the corner. Excellent performance from the team. The supporters know that the job is pretty much done, and they're just loving it. I don't think we'll get them out of the ground at the end.
Well, they've been treated to some really good football, haven't they? Some good goals, and
And shoots! He's blocked the shot well.
Masih dapat ya. Counter, let's go. Nggak bisa.
And Herrera. Jimenez. That's his game, isn't it? Intercepting. 3 minutes to be added
Aduh,
on.
bahaya tuh saya.
This could lead to a chance. It's good
Butterfield.
attacking play. You can see what he was trying to do, but the defender in the way. Made sure the pass wasn't completed. Then Donker. There goes the final whistle. The referee has blown, and the final score 3-1.
Dan ini gol keren. Sini nih, ini juga keren.
keren nih gol.
This could bring them. Needs to stay cool now.
Finishingnya cool banget tuh, dingin.
This with a chance to go into the lead now. Into the lead they go. This with a chance to go into the lead now.
Kipernya jangan dia kali ya. Lagi promising player sih. Tuh, ratingnya masih naik-naik terus. Gibbs, wah 70 ratingnya, mantap. Iya. Gitu deh. Diundur ya, karena ada negara itu.
Aduh ya ampun. Klub Brugge. Newcastle, Cardiff, Brighton. Berarti kalau ini balls, oh iya bola. Oh iya winter tuh rata-rata orang ya. Merlin Premier League, Japan League, Liga NOS, UEFA Super Cup. Oh iya, ini bola yang bagus nih, Telstar. La Liga Seri A.
Pad tighter udah malam.
Pep tidur udah malam. Iya, saya belum ngantuk. Ada yang balik juga lah ternyata lah. Saya nyari ngantuk aja ini. Habis push rank gak Jun? Gimana push rank Jo? Gue main ini kan. Gue main apa namanya? ML. Tak.
Yoi lose streak tapi.
Lu streak. Kasih. Udah mythic ya? Lu streak ngereng sampai malam apa gimana aja sama SH Mugo itu ya, temanmu itu. Dek IZ juga si Mugo itu, SH Mugo. Kayaknya kamu ini aja lah, kowe main offline ya, ketemu. Kemarin soalnya kayaknya kerjasamanya enak banget tuh. Udah nggak paham lagi deh. Ini kenapa nggak gol-gol ya? Nggak masuk-masuk loh. Aduh, ya ampun. Mata nggak capek kakak?
Mata GK kepek kapad.
Enggak juga sih. Biasa aku pakai ini kacamata anti radiasi kalau kata orang mah. Jadi enak banget kalau dipakai malam tuh enak kacamata kayak gini tuh. Justru kalau dipakai siang ya nggak enak. Aku kan baru streaming tadi habis Isya kan? Habis Isya 1, 2, 3 jam. 3 jam.
Quite an incentive to go for the victory, and it's quite possible that if they do win this match here,
3 jam main ya, nggak berasa loh. Ganti-ganti game.
Well, they've been pretty good, haven't they? More than pretty good, really. Very consistent.
Ini dia starting 11. Wolverhampton.
And it looks good in attack with these two strikers.
Minum air putih. Biasanya kalau nugas juga jam segini juga santai aja. Skip Sissoko lah, dia mainin pemain muda loh. Skip Pilar Mendy, Morrison, Taylor siapa? Ini setengah cadangan nih, Hotspur. Padahal kita klasemennya di atas Hotspur loh, kita nomor 4, Hotspur nomor 6-7 deh. Yuk, Diogo Jota.
So we're ready to
Bismillah.
start. Sit back and enjoy the next 90 minutes of football. Aurier. Musa Sissoko. Lucas. Anticipated the direction of the pass and was able to intervene. That's good support play from his teammates. And they get it away. Vardy. And Herrera.
Herrera.
An incisive
Bagus nih.
pass.
Johnny Otto. Crossing. Jota.
No
Aduh.
nonsense defending from him.
Kalau udah enjoy emang ini nggak bisa berhenti.
Aurier.
Sanchez.
Got it away, and that's what you have to do. Couple of exceptional talents in a really good game. And here's the shot.
Aduh.
Good block.
Moutinho
Now,
sama Eriksen.
a corner. The ball's just deflected behind for that. Put the corner in the middle. Keeper goes for the punch from the corner. Oh, he spotted the pass and cut it out. Moutinho.
Doherty.
Come here having drawn their last 2 games, which
Loh kok Sais yang main ya? Oh iya iya.
maybe not quite the winning
Don
mentality
Denker nggak
that they
main.
need.
No, but you wonder whether a draw here would be satisfactory, whether they take that now.
Good vision. Can go in from here.
Lucas Moura.
It's Lucas crossed
Crossing.
in. Well, they kept up the pressure, didn't they?
David
It's
Luiz nih bos.
really been stopped now.
Anda main
Sissoko. Well, they're building steadily here, working away.
cadang.
Flags up. He's
Offside.
frustrated because he is caught
Lucas Moura.
offside. Maybe he made his run a bit too soon.
Terlalu dalam Anda.
Here's Jota.
Bagus nih.
Threading it through.
Jamie Vardy. Vardy. Shooting Vardy.
Clean
Aduh.
through. One-on-one against
Hah?
the goalkeeper.
Yeah,
Itu
it's a
ditepis ya?
wonderful stop, Martin, isn't it? And no bits and pieces either to follow up on.
Wah iya loh. Jari itu.
In goes the corner.
Dur.
Cleared away, well away from goal. Aurier. Lucas.
Lucas.
Son.
Song.
Son.
Rui Patricio. Awas, awas, awas,
High
awas,
press
awas.
from this team. Get the
Nggak
ball back.
dipasing,
Very close to- And he could get away here.
Wah gila.
Well, they've
Son.
ground down the opposition
Son
first to
Heung-min.
score here.
Well, they've swarmed all over them, haven't they? And they've done it in attacking positions.
Well, it is the way the modern game is played, isn't
Wow.
it? This kind of
Son
breakaway.
Heung-min.
And they
Ngeri,
couldn't live with
ngeri,
them.
ngeri,
Well, if
ngeri,
you've got
ngeri.
pace, as this side have, you're always going to be a threat on the counter. It's a wonderful finish.
Interception on James Milner's attempted ball. Room now out on the wing. Saw it coming, cut it out, good work. Defended well. There's a chance playing at home to extend this run of 2 consecutive victories into 3.
Yeah, the way they played in those previous 2.
Jose Moutinho, mantap.
Real chance.
Vardy.
Good.
Oh no.
Trying to run off the shoulder of the last
Astagfirullah.
player offside.
That is a weakness
Offside,
in his game. Gets
Jota.
caught offside too many times.
Here's Jota. It's Jamie Vardy. And Herrera.
Anda Herrera.
Onto Moutinho.
Moutinho.
Shots on here.
Aduh,
Blocked that well.
ini padahal mereka pemain-pemain muda loh.
Musa Sissoko.
Lusa Sissoko. Aduh
Iliana
bahaya
Mendy.
ini.
They could pose some danger now. Comes in with a tackle.
Comes
There's
in
going to be
with
a
the
throw in
tackle.
after that tackle.
Tackle.
Face. Here's Jota. And Herrera. Opportunity in a wider area.
Hai,
It's gone for a corner.
Kono. Crossing Moutinho.
Good defensive clearance there. Sace. Here's Milner. On to Ander Herrera.
On to Ander
End the
Herrera.
threat, at least for the moment. Ander Herrera. Saw that coming
Astagfirullah.
and intercepted.
Lucas Moura kencang banget nih orang. Kalau sampai
Been
lepas
okay
nih.
so far from Tottenham Hotspur. Just a few minutes to go to half time.
Yeah, we've been used to seeing some free-flowing football. There's been enough out there in this first half.
Well, this could bring
Nice, Diogo Jota.
important point in the game.
Oh, what a game changer that might be.
Let's
The
go,
momentum's just shifted.
Diogo Jota.
You don't
Langsung
always see it in the
cetak
players
gol,
run over to
nambah
celebrate with the
poin.
manager, but this boss, he's got a close relationship with his players. You can see it there.
That earlier incident, the big deflection.
Well, that's the life
Bagus.
of the defender. You try and put your body in the
Oh,
way, but
keflek.
sometimes it ricochets off.
Mau
Good
keflek
look
gak
here,
keflek juga gol
again,
juga.
by the
nanti.
replay of the goal. So away we go at 1-1. Song.
Sumpah aku Fardi sama si Jota suka tuker-tuker loh. Dari atas sana, sepatu sana, putih-putih. Bagus.
Jota. That's good movement forward here. Oh, dispossessed. They could be in trouble. Work really to read the intention of the pass. Got the ball and they're going at the opposition with speed.
Sissoko.
Good vision.
Aduh, duh.
Just the keeper to beat.
Inilah yang bahaya ya.
Last line of
Lucas
defense,
Moura.
but how strong he was. Musa Sissoko.
Christian Eriksen.
And the ball
Buang.
knocked away long.
Iliara Mendy.
Looking for an opening with some good controlled build-up.
Eh,
Well under pressure here to
untung
hold
sih
the ball
skip.
as the challenge came in.
There will be a minimum of
2 more minutes to play, that of added time. Milner. Lovely ball.
Offside lagi nih.
It's Jamie Vardy.
Oh enggak.
And here's the shot. Here's a chance. Goalkeeper exposed.
Padahal udah bagus tuh.
Everything to play for in the second half. So we're ready to start. Sit back and enjoy the next 9. The referee has blown to signal the start of the second half.
Wis, kuning. Harusnya kuning itu.
Song
Dihajar begitu anak orang.
makes the challenge here. Here's Jota. Great ball. Milner. They've opened them up here. They've bought themselves a bit of time.
Kenapa itu?
That's his game, isn't it? Intercepting.
Taylor.
Tottenham given the throw.
Dapat.
I think that's a good performance, isn't it, Alan, from him in the first half?
Badak
Well, his
banget,
team
Pak.
haven't been on what you would
Backnya.
describe as top form, but he can.
It will be a free kick. Well, coming up for your EA
0-0
Sports, the next Premier League fixture for the hosts. Here's Jota. Vardy. Sace. It's Jamie Vardy. On the move and able to cut out the pass. That pass never looked like reaching its target, and they're away with the ball. Substitute ready for Tottenham Hotspur. And that's offside. Christian Eriksen,
substitution for Tottenham Hotspur.
one of the backup brigade, is going to have a chance.
Masuk nih intinya nih.
Serge Aurier. Coming
Sace.
onto the pitch.
Doherty.
14, Fauzi Goulam.
Gian Moutinho.
Siapa itu yang masuk?
Diogo Jota. Probing the pass.
Lah kok ke tengah
That's dealt with the
situ?
problem.
Musa Sissoko.
Gula. Toby Alderweireld. Musa Sissoko. Here's Ali. Lucas. Moutinho.
Buset.
And from the Spurs sidelines, a substitute is going to come on. Diogo Jota, an incisive pass.
Kok gitu sih?
Sissoko. Here's
Aduh,
Ali.
bele Ali.
Slipping it
Aduh.
through. Guiding it through the defenders. Brilliant pass, can he finish it? They're still in trouble here.
Lah.
Oh, well done the
Untung
goalkeeper,
aja.
and he's hung on to the ball.
Wah, lagi.
And Herrera.
Kok gitu sih? Umpannya
Trying to
sumpah.
thread a pass through,
Nggak
but not
ngerti deh.
successful.
Nggak bisa cutback ke kotak penalti gitu loh.
Gula. Opportunity in a wider area.
Tottenham ini pemainnya bahaya-bahaya.
Well, we've got a substitution now.
Lah,
I think he'd love to
Tanggaran.
shoot, but he can't from this angle. Gotta get a good ball into the box.
Ali!
No.
Tottenham have scored.
2-1.
Replay
Bray.
confirming for us here that the goalkeeper did get a touch, but not strong enough to keep the ball out of his net.
Well, he is his own harshest critic, this lad, and he'll blame himself for that, I think, having got a touch.
Trying to find an opening, not panicking.
Sumpah pemainku di press.
Vardy. Here's Jota.
They gave it straight to him, didn't they?
They can be quick on the break now. Illaramendi. Sol squandering possession. And Herrera.
Well, the crowd sensing that their side's running out of time.
Good spot by Moutinho. Vardy!
Nice.
The direct running of Jamie Vardy leaves the defenders behind. Great goal.
There's no chance of catching him once he's away, is there?
Let's go. Wah, no.
Fantastic from the neutral point of view that the game is level again. Extraordinary game here. Two very well matched teams, and they're trading goal for goal in the game.
Pembelian Milner kayaknya
Cut
nggak.
that out well read. So we're coming down now towards the last 15 minutes. Son, Eriksen, Christian Eriksen, Gula, Son, on to Danny Rose, chance for the cross.
Oh.
That's good defending. Here's Ali, Eriksen, Son. And they cut it out.
Buang.
Sissoko.
Ditekan gini main.
Eriksen. Now the
Wah,
shot.
gila.
That shot's blocked. He's angry with the
Offside.
assistant. And I must say these officials are very good indeed. And I think they've probably got that
Jota
offside call
sekarang.
right as well.
Yeah, I think
Overall
when he
81.
looks back at the replays tonight, he'll accept that he did go just a little bit early, not by much, but he was off.
Counting down towards the end of the 90 minutes. 9 minutes left. Here's Ali. Sissoko. Eriksen. That's a wonderful interception there in the nick of time. Very late in the game with the score still level.
Ay.
Well, they've rehearsed on the training ground day in, day out. Now is the opportunity to get a corner right in the nick of time.
Gimana masuk deh?
Corner's taken. And the corner claimed
Nice.
by the goalkeeper.
Maju.
Not too
Naik.
difficult.
Johnny Otto.
Coutinho and Vision. He can win it here.
Nice.
Oh, it's awesome. This attacking strength that they've got. They lead again. And now got me feeling they're going to head for victory again. Such a difficult thing to score on a regular basis at this level of football. But they have found the answer. They've got the formula.
Super sub. Jimenez. Super sub.
We've often said, Alan, the fullbacks don't get proper appreciation for what they do. And it's not the position that the youngsters always want to go for. They think it's unglamorous, but it's been a glamour show today for this fella who's going to be taken off now.
Well, he's shown us how to play in this position. He's got all the attributes necessary to go all the way. Top class.
No doubt about that. Free kick.
Well, if they can't make this pay, they're going to end up losing this match.
Good defensive clearance there.
Gila, emang nggak boleh menang. Emang nggak boleh menang. Selalu gitu deh gue lagi.
At a really crucial moment, that might just decide the match.
3 minutes of added time.
Danny Rose.
Emang nggak boleh menang.
Song. Guilherme.
Seri.
That's it. Level pegging between the two teams.
Ada nih.
All square. Well, this has ended
Udah seri.
level and there's something to smile about for both the managers as they
Aduh,
shake hands
ya
down on the touchline.
ampun.
You get these days, don't you? You can't beat your best every week.
Ada yang masuk lagi nih. Siapa nih?
Well, he was carrying the team at times, wasn't he, today?
Gak bisa ngeliat
He couldn't
view-nya
produce
siapa
the
ya?
win for them.
Well, when the chance came late on, he never looked like missing.
View tuh siapa ya nonton nggak bisa dilihat. Kalau Instagram kan bisa tuh. Leicester, Everton masih posisi keempat. Player of the month nyumbang 3 player loh, Wolf loh, mantap. Kita latih pemain-pemain muda. Liverpool, Wolves, Crystal Palace. Poinnya pada deket-deket semua ya. Ini Irlandia nih. Oh belum. Udah yang kemarin. Udah kan yang kemarin nih. Players leaving international duty. James Milner 15 November. Masih 11 November. Main aja dulu. Arsenal. Piatti. Europa League. Salzburg defeated Rosenborg lawan Arsenal. Aduh, berat lagi, berat. Lawannya tuh kok berat-berat gitu loh. Aduh, ya ampun. Now you song is so repeat and sing now. Oh, bagus. Ai. segitu lah. Jota pakai kaki kiri. Udah dong.
Really knows the job of a striker. I always feel Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. He is the top scorer in the league so far this season. Super touch in front of goal. Watch him again, and it's live.
Oh ya, nggak ada lagu. Copyright.
Hello once again, I'm Martin Tyler, and this is the Emirates Stadium.
This is Emirates Stadium.
Arsenal against Wolverhampton Wanderers.
Arsenal! Here is how the Arsenal lineup. Number 19.
Number 19. Starting 11.
Really entertaining us with
Scoring.
scoring. And actually they're the top scorers in the league so far.
Yeah, maybe they fancy
Cetak gol
themselves
paling
to grab
banyak.
1 or 2 here. The form that the strikers have been in.
Number 34, Yannick Xhaka. Number 8, Aaron Ramsey.
This is the Arsenal lineup. Leno starts in goal.
Leno.
Jenkinson starts with Kolasinac in the
Jenkinson,
fullback position.
Koscielny, Mustafi, Kolasinac, Granit Xhaka, Guendouzi, Mkhitaryan, Aaron Ramsey, Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang, Danny Welbeck. Oke enggak main full squad.
Here is the way Wolves are
Rui
set out
Patricio.
for this vital fixture. Rui Patricio starts in goal. Ander Herrera starts looking to continue his great
James
form in
Milner,
midfield.
Dan Docker,
Looking
Ander
at the front men,
Herrera,
well, there are 2 of them in this lineup.
Joe Moutinho, Jamie Vardy, Diogo Jota.
Wolverhampton Wanderers had that frustration that you feel as the home team when you only draw. They drew against Tottenham Hotspur.
Both sets of strikers were on fire in that 3-3 draw. Whether it's going to be the same here, I don't know, but I think it might be another draw.
Komentatornya ramal bakal seri nih match.
Arsenal kicked off.
Kita bawa pulang 3 poin.
Milner
Bagus.
and Herrera can go in from here. Good defending. Now Mkhitaryan, Carl Jenkinson, Henrik Mkhitaryan.
Lah,
Able to cut that out with some sharp movement. Diogo Jota, then Donker. Moutinho. Good vision
Johnny.
here. Good position for the cross.
Jepret, Ander Herrera.
Away brilliantly. That kind of chance has come to him so early in the game. I have to say, he reacted perfectly. Really sharp right from the off, and they've taken the lead here. Goalkeeper is annoyed with himself because he did get a piece of it.
Not quite enough. I mean, it was half a hand, wasn't it? But it was well struck and too fierce for him.
Wolverhampton Wanderers have this lead.
Number 13,
Xhaka. Now Mkhitaryan. Short passes, keeping the ball.
Bagus, Cody.
Now Doherty. Moutinho and Herrera. Advantage given to Arsenal. Now Mkhitaryan. Never thought with the pass that the execution was not good.
Sebelah kanan. Doherty.
Now Doherty.
Jamie Vardy kencang sekali.
Jamie Vardy. The shot's on. He's blocked that
Siapa
well.
itu yang?
That'll be a throw. Aubameyang.
Hari sini.
Dendoncker.
Mereka main ngepres ya.
And Herrera. Milner. They've got numbers in this attack, and it looks dangerous. He's given it away. Moutinho. And Herrera. Here's Milner. Good strong tackle. It will be their throw.
Johnny.
Moutinho.
Johnny
Really
Otto.
trying to use the full width of the pitch here to make some progress. He could lay it off to the supporting player. Moutinho. Milner.
Astagfirullah.
He's cleaned up here, hasn't
Aturan
he, with that
belakang tuh,
clearance.
belakang bagus tuh.
James Milner. Dendoncker. On to Moutinho. And this will be a goal kick.
Goal kick.
Just a little nudge
Goal
to
kick,
nudge you in
goal
the
kick.
direction of what's coming up on EA Sports for you. Our coverage of the Premier League fixture. Arsenal, they'll be facing Bournemouth.
Yeah, really looking forward to
Bournemouth.
this one. I think we're going to see some good football.
Boom.
Really getting
Boom.
at the opposition this far up the
Everything.
pitch now. Keeper's ball, no question about that. It's a weak cross, really. Diogo Jota and Herrera. They might have played him in here. It's Jamie Vardy. Chance to get the ball in the box.
Cepet.
Well, it's actually hit the
Astagfirullah.
frame of the goal, but how he hasn't scored from there with such power.
Just didn't seem to be concentrating enough. Maybe took his eye off the ball.
Tiang gawang. Ada lagi yang mampir. Tapi diem-diem aja.
Carl Jenkinson. Xhaka. Now Mkhitaryan. Danny Welbeck. Granit Xhaka. Aubameyang.
Wah, gila dia
return
mainnya.
pass. Delivered for Danny Welbeck.
Buang. Nice.
Good defensive clearance there.
Handball kayak itu. Jota
Guiding it
lari.
through.
Body.
Koscielny. Granit Xhaka.
Ini kita main di Emirates Stadium ya. Tiba-tiba hilang.
Xhaka. Danny Welbeck. Welbeck.
Granit Xhaka.
Mkhitaryan.
Mkhitaryan.
Mkhitaryan couldn't keep it. Read the play well.
Wah, sumpah.
That's for sure. It's a goal kick.
Masih
See
1-0.
that earlier episode, the attempt on goal from James Milner. I know you know your Arsenal history inside out, Alan, and you were part of some great chapters in it. I always think of the 70-71 double-winning side as a special part. Excellent team.
Yes, they were. Proper team, I think, in the true sense of the word. Incredibly
Nggak ada
hard
main
work.
lagi.
Got his shot off now. Here's the chance,
Patricio.
goalkeeper.
Good save.
It's one back. Just read the intentions of the opposition there to make the interception.
What about that save? I mean, it was top stuff from the keeper, and might just have won this game for his side.
Left the defenders trailing now. Here's a chance.
Nice.
And they have scored. And they do lead now by 2. And they've worked very hard for this. It should get them across the line at the end of the match. We'll see. You have to be there to score it. And he ran in and got his reward, just couldn't miss.
No, it was a poacher's effort. The final finish wasn't difficult, but to get there took a little bit of instinct.
Just widen the margin here to 2-0.
Number 28.
Henrik Mkhitaryan. That's half-time, and 2-0. So Arsenal kicked off.
Bagus streaming.
It is the kick-off here for the second half. Saw the pass coming and got there first.
Nggak kuning. Harusnya kuning itu.
Opportunity
Dicongkel dari belakang. Bagus nih bodinya nih. David Luiz.
And Herrera. Diogo Jota. Vardy. Played forward, a bit of menace in this attack. Coutinho. Well, his laces behind that one.
Took his eye off the ball, but not a bad effort. Arsenal looking a bit like headless chickens. The fans certainly sense it. Not happy.
Nice.
Just going back to Arsenal before your time, Alan, but I know you know the history of it. That 70-71 season when they won the league and the FA Cup, which was very difficult to do in those days.
Can't forget on television watching it, that burning hot day at Wembley. Bertie Mee, the manager, Don Hare, the cup.
Guided through. He'll be happier having made that save after some earlier unconvincing moments.
Yeah, he'd be relieved as well because he's getting a bit of stick from the fans behind the goal. But a rare little bout of applause for him.
Siapa yang masukin?
Well, the manager not wasting any time here. He's going to make the change.
Aubameyang ditarik.
They are going to try and turn this around.
Piatti, Piatti debut.
Quick reminder of the next game for the visiting team in the Premier League is this. Join us on EA Sports. Aaron Ramsey.
EA Sports. Waduh, kenapa lagi tuh?
Ramsey. Well, they're building steadily here, working away on the move and able to cut it. Has a go here. He's blocked that well. And Herrera. Xhaka. Ramsey. Piatti. That's offside. Three has stopped the play as soon as the flag went up.
Aaron Ramsey diganti.
Now they're behind. They've got to try and
Ganti
switch
siapa
things
itu?
around. And here comes a substitution. Coutinho and Herrera. Crafting the through pass.
Bagus. Mana ini tengahnya? Aduh, nggak ada tengahnya lagi.
Coutinho onto and Herrera. It's an excellent cross. Well, that's good defending. It's with Herrera. Return to Milner. Coutinho and shoots.
Waduh.
Chance for his second goal of the match. And the goalkeeper determined not to be beaten a second time.
Yeah, I think he was disappointed how he got beaten the first.
Nice.
So, made amends there.
Well, they're having to defend, aren't they? So he's come deep and he's got hold of the ball and they can build off him. Xhaka. Just taking the heat out of the moment. The ball back to the goalkeeper. Carl Jenkinson. Shotran Mustafi. In quickly.
Jose Moutinho.
And space to get the cross in.
Jepret.
Leno makes the save.
Yang rapi sih. Bapuk banget.
Test of his control now. There'll be a throw now after the tackle. They decided to make a change, and being behind, you can understand that.
Number 2, outside
Kamani Xhaka.
Piatti.
Strong, fair challenge, balls out for a throw though. Mesut Ozil.
Ozil masuk.
He's reached it and he's caught it with a save. Brilliant.
Gila, itu bisa bola gitu bisa ketangkep loh. Gimana caranya itu?
Here's Jota. Doherty. He's got some room out here in the wide position. First to it is the goalkeeper. Good clearance. Now Mkhitaryan. Mesut Ozil. Henrik Mkhitaryan. Now Wolves in possession. Steered through, and Herrera's pass. Here's the chance. It comes out off the goalkeeper.
Tepis lagi.
Xhaka. Now Mkhitaryan.
Aduh. Bahaya
Mesut
nih.
Ozil. Read the play well. An incisive pass.
Oh.
Now the shot.
Ay.
Thought he'd score. Could pull one back
Udahlah.
here. And he does. Well, it's given them a chance in this game. Still plenty of time for an equaliser.
Yeah, they needed that, didn't they? This is going to be interesting.
Kesalahan.
And we restart the game 2-1. And Herrera. Vardy. That pass never looked like reaching its target, and they're away with the ball. Now it goes into the wider areas where they've got a winger waiting. Oh, he spotted the pass and cut it out. And on the clock, 8 more minutes. For the supporters, this is a tougher time than the players, really. They could do nothing about it, but roar on the team, they're doing that.
Yeah, maybe more in hope than expectation, because the Arsenal lads have not performed today.
Here's a chance to whip it in. Taking on the defenders. Made away, well away from goal. Here's Jota. Shotran Mustafi.
Ush.
It's Jamie Vardy. Well, they've gone and won the ball.
Tuh kalau nggak ada
in the middle of the
kesalahan
field
tuh
with
enak.
some high pressure play.
Arsenal fans doing their very best late on here to try and instigate an equaliser.
Just 1 minute left on the clock.
The fourth official has indicated.
Referee's decided to add on 2
2
minutes. Mesut Ozil. Maybe the chance to salvage something from this game. Here's Ozil.
Loh, penalti. Wah,
It's a penalty. What a moment to give it away.
enggak dong. Astagfirullah.
Oh, what a chance now for an equaliser with the penalty.
But it's a gift. I thought this team were dead and buried.
Was that just a case of mistiming the tackle?
Yeah, it was a forwards tackle in many ways, a poor one.
Ah,
On the spot, he's reliable from 12 yards.
no
Game restarts at
way.
2-2. It's finished level.
Ya yuk.